This tutorial explains how we can craft and send a ping packet from the Ubuntu system to Windows 7. For this purpose, before crafting the packet, we start Wireshark on Windows 7 to verify the crafted packet. We apply a filter ICMP since ping uses ICMP at the network layer, and we start the capture. Now the packet capture has been set on Windows 7. Now we go to the Ubuntu system and start Scapy. Now to craft a ping packet, we would need to have an ICMP header which will have the type value as 8 and the code value as 0. Along with that, the ICMP header has to be appended with an IP header which should have the source IP address as that of the Ubuntu system's IP address, which is 192.168.1.25, and the destination IP address as that of the Windows 7 system, which would be 192.168.1.100. The first step is to create an ICMP header, for which we type in the command ICMP equal to ICMP. Now the type value in the ICMP header is associated with the value 8. Similarly, the code value is associated with the value 0. Now an ICMP header has been created with the type and code value with the required values. Now we need to create an IP header. This is done using the command IP equal to IP. The source IP address inside the IP header is associated with the value 192.168.1.25, which is the Ubuntu system's IP address. The destination IP is associated with the value 192.168.1.100, which is the Windows 7 system's IP address. Now the ICMP and the IP header has been created. The next step is to send the packet on the network, for which the command send is used. We type in send IP/ICMP. It can be observed that the packet has been sent on the network. Now the next step would be to verify on Wireshark whether the packet has reached the destination. It can be observed that packet number 438469 is the packet which has been crafted and sent from the Ubuntu system. The source IP address is 192.168.1.25 and the destination IP address is 192.168.1.100. If we do a deep packet analysis, the type and code value can be observed as 8 and 0. Packet number 438470 is the response which has been sent from 1.100 to 1.25, the Windows 7 system to Ubuntu system, when it receives the ping request packet. This is the ping reply packet corresponding to the ping request packet which was received. This is how a custom ping packet can be created.